Hey guys, Mike with Wasatch Wheeling, and today we're testing out the TRX4 axles on the Element Ecto. Now this truck started out as a Gatekeeper builder's kit, and then I got rid of the cage right away because that just destroyed the performance of the truck. But since we've got the Lexan body on it, it does a whole lot better. I was just getting tired of the clearance issues with the straight axles mixed with a terrible turning radius. So to accomplish this, what I had to do was convert it to a 4-link, and then I got a servo on axle kit from Artful Dodgers. And that gave me all the turning radius I needed. Definitely improved the left-hand turning. Now I haven't done the pin spring mod on this truck yet. Normally what I do is just run some rubber bands around the shock towers down to the axles, and that kind of takes care of a bunch of the torque twists. Now I didn't have any, so what you're seeing is just a full droop and no resistance. So it's getting pretty good torque twists. When I get on the steep hills, you'll constantly see that left side torquing up in the air. I controlled it the best I could for this test run. It'll perform a lot better once I get the rubber bands or pen spring mod done here. I'm also not running any weights on this truck. I didn't have any for the TRX4 axles that I threw on there. So this is just the stock weight distribution with whatever changes the stock axles made to it. I am running the Rock Pirates RC shock towers and sliders on here, which have been great. I love those. And then other than that, I mean, it's just powered by a Hobbywing 1080 and a Holmes Hobbies Trailmaster. Other than that, I'll stop flapping my gab and let you watch the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them down in the comment section, and enjoy the video.